Happy Friday, everyone. You've made it. You've made it through the first part of our virtual learning together. 2 thumbs up for you. Today, instead of doing anything in our Writer's Workshop folders, I thought we'd do a little bit of something fun. We're going to go on a scavenger hunt. You have to go on a scavenger hunt. I would like you to walk around your house and see if you can find things that are red and things that are green. And then you just need to write them down. You can see I have my green column, I have my red column. And I wondered if you guys wanted to go for a walk with me around the classroom to see if you can find some red things or some green things. If you see something that I don't see, make sure you shout it out and I'll try to go and see if I can look at it. You ready? Let's go for a walk. Looking for some red things, looking for some green things. Hey, I see those too. So on my paper, I'm going to write heart. Now, this already has the word spelled out for me, but probably most of the things that you are going to be looking for aren't going to have the words on them. So I'm going to just sound it out. Heart. Art. Art. So I found a heart, and then I found a square. I found a square. Thanks for helping me. Time to go for another walk. I'm walking and we're looking for some things that are red. We are looking for some things that are green. I don't know. Do you guys see anything? Anything at all? What? Behind me? Oh, it's red behind me. Got it. Thanks for your help. So I'm going to write flag. Full. G. There, I found 2 red things now. Thank you so much. So I want to walk around a little bit, looking for some red things, looking for some, what? There's more? Where? Let me see. Oh, it's behind me. Sorry. Oh, you see the red scissors. Scissors. And you see something over there that's green? Oh yeah, that's my voice chart. Yeah, remember? Because when we're in school, we have to have a level 1 whisper voice. So I think that's my voice chart. Voice chart. Art. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, his shirt. Oh, thanks. I forgot about the shirt. 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 Shh. Oh, that's that SH sound. Shirt. Wow, I have a lot of red things in here, don't I? I really wish that we could find something that's green. I don't know. There's something behind me green? Really? Already? My poster says it's cool to be kind. I'm going to put poster. Oh, thanks. I'm so glad I found something green. I was starting to think that we didn't have anything green in my room. What do you mean back up? Why am I backing up? Oh, that. A book. Book. Wow, guys, you've been so helpful. Really excited to see how many green things you can find in your class or in your house, not your classroom, that you can find in your house. And I would love to, I know, you see numbers and you see apples. I know. There's just so many things that I've just found. I'm going to get busy finishing writing, and I want you to go and search your house for some red things and green things. Maybe do this for 10, 15 minutes, or maybe until you get to the bottom of your paper. I'm getting pretty close. I better get going. You guys have a great time.